Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a super requested video. I am going to be showing you guys how I get my hair super silky, super straight. I have gotten tons of requests to do this video whenever I have my hair like really sleek, so I thought that I would film it for you guys. I am in my bathroom. Sorry if there is an echo in here, but I wanted to do it in my bathroom because this is where I have all of my tools, so I feel really comfortable doing it here. But yeah, I wanted to just kind of break everything down for you guys, show you the products that I love, that I have been using, and how I get my hair really silky and straight and all of that. I did have a keratin treatment done to my hair like 2 months ago, 2.5 months ago. Keratin is pretty much a protein based treatment that they put in your hair, and it reduces frizz and curly hair. It makes frizzy hair really easy to manage. However, it's a temporary fix. It's not permanently. And at this point, I am comfortable enough to say that I no longer see the keratin in my hair. It's not as curly and as frizzy as it used to be, but it still does get frizzy, and I still have some curls to my hair. Today was a wash hair day. I washed my hair with my shampoo and conditioner. I started using sulfate-free shampoo when I first did my keratin treatment. It was recommended to do something that was more, better, healthier for your hair, like sulfate-free. So I invested in the Harmonic sulfate-free shampoo off of Amazon, which I'll have a picture here on the screen, and I'll also link it down below. And I love that shampoo and conditioner. It leaves my hair squeaky clean, and as you can tell, it reduces the frizz by a lot because of its ingredients. It's all plant-based, it's sulfate-free, and it is so good. It was actually recommended by one of my friends from work. I loved it. It leaves your scalp like really minty feeling. At first, it's kind of hard to get used to it because you feel like, you're like, man, did I leave product in my hair? Like, I don't know, because your scalp is going to feel really minty, but after you get used to it, it's so refreshing. I love it. And your whole bathroom smells really minty afterwards, which I love minty smells because it feels clean. If I'm going to blow dry my hair, I always like to go in with a mist. Sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't do this. But on the days that I want my hair like super sleek, I will do this. So I am taking the Maui Moisture Thicken and Restore Blowout Mist. I love this. It smells really good. And the only thing that I do is I just kind of spray it all over my hair. And I also have some redness. You can see it right there. I also have some red tones in my hair, and I have not dyed my hair. The reason why my hair is like this is actually because the color has been fading. I have not dyed my hair, which I want to. I want to do like a dark brown just to get rid of that red because I don't like the red, but I have not dyed my hair. This color that I currently have now is just from previous hair dyes, just kind of fading. And when I did the keratin treatment, it really faded my color. So that is what that is for. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my wet brush, just a regular wet brush. You can find them at Target. They're super easy to find. And I'm just going to brush out my hair. When I get out of the shower, I kind of let my hair air dry for a little bit. I do not go in and blow dry my hair when my hair is soaking wet. As you can see, I already have some pieces that are dried, and that's exactly what I want. Because if I go in and blow dry my hair straight from where my hair is wet, then I'm going to be using a lot of heat, and I don't want to use a lot of heat. I want to use the minimum heat possible. So I like to kind of let my hair air dry just a little bit before I go in and start to blow dry. Now it's time to blow dry our hair. So the blow dryer that I am going to be using, it's the T3 Curalux blow dryer. I love this blow dryer. I actually just got a new one, but I have been using this blow dryer for years now. Let me show you my old one. So this is the older one, this bigger one. I love this one. It works just as good, but I recently just got the smaller version of it. This is the Curalux, and it is so good. I love this blow dryer. So I start at the temples, and I pick up my hair back, and I pin it up with just a clip. This is the T3 Smooth Brush. Again, another great product by T3, and I'm just going to smooth my hair. Now I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer. I'm gonna turn it on, and this is what I'm going to do. So I get my brush, I put the hair through it, and I blow dry going down. I'm not super perfect with it. I'm not like, you know, piece by piece. I just pretty much go like this, like really fast until everything is really nice and dry. So let's do that. Next, I'm gonna take a round brush. Again, this is from T3 and mine is used and abused. As you can tell, it's dirty. I love it. It's my favorite. This is a 2.51, obsessed. So I am going to just take my blow dryer and I'm only going to just go like this a little bit just to kind of give my hair some bend, but nothing crazy. Again, I am not super specific with it. So let's do it. Let me show you guys. So now that the bottom half is dry, I'm gonna let go of the top section. And I'm going to, again, split this into two. So I'm just gonna get the top layer and I'm going to pin that. So I'm gonna go in with my smooth brush and just brush it out. Hair in my mouth. Ugh. Okay, so for the front piece, I actually blow dry this one forward, not like on the sides, just to add a little bit of volume. So I'm going to do the same thing. It's just I'm going to do it like downward. Okay, so this is the hair completely dried, and as you can see, it's already looking a lot more sleeker, and it's not puffy, it's not frizzy, everything is nice and straight. But now we just have to go back in and perfect it a little bit because I really like my hair pinned straight and really sleek. So I'm going to show you guys what I do for that. I'm going to go in with a straightener. Again, this is a straightener by T3, and I'm a little embarrassed to share with you guys because mine is so dirty. It's disgusting. I should actually clean it. But this is what it looks like. Like, look at that. Look how dirty, and it's disgusting, but it is the best straightener I have ever used. This straightener gets hot so incredibly fast. It's amazing. Like, this straightener is honestly amazing. When I straighten my hair, I like to use this little comb. This is from PYT, and it is the best comb to straighten your hair. I used to go in with my actual hands and I would always burn my fingers. It wasn't until I started using a comb like this that I noticed a huge difference in the way that my hair looked afterwards. So while my straightener is getting hot, I'm going to split my hair again, and I'm going to do this. I'm going to do the bottom section. The only thing that I do is I get my straightener, which is already hot, and then I put my comb under and I straighten. And then when I get to the end, I give it a little curve. If you want a super duper sleek hairstyle, then don't bend the ends, but I like to bend my ends. I don't know, I just like the way that it looks, but you don't have to if you don't want to. And boom. Boom. Super easy and super fast. Okay, so now I'm gonna let another piece down, and I am pretty much just going to do the same thing all around my hair. So I'm gonna put this in fast forward so that you guys can see. Okay, so once you iron your hair, this is what you're left with. It's super duper straight. As you can see, it's like flat to my head, and it's bouncy, it has movement, and I love it. This is actually how I have been styling my hair ever since I cut my hair short. I just love how sleek it looks. The only thing that I do next is I go in with an oil. This is the Selfie Ready Gloss Serum by PYT. I take 1 drop of it and I work it in between my hands, and then I just kind of like run it through the ends to make sure that everything looks really nice and like glossy. I don't put it in the root of my hair. As you can see, the root of my hair has a nice shine. I put it more towards the end, and that's what like really gets kind of dry and ugly looking. So I run it through the ends. I do have some little flyaways. I don't know if you can tell. So I take a hairspray. This is the Kristen S. Refined Signature Finishing Hairspray. I got this at Target. I have mixed feelings about this hairspray. I really like it because when you spray it, everything stays in place. Like your hair won't move. But if by any chance you need to brush your hair, it turns white, so you have like white little flakes. So not really sure, like I don't know, I have mixed reviews, but I have been really enjoying it. So what I do is I spray my hands, and then I rub my hands together and I put it on the top of my head. So that is it. That is how I get my super sleek hair. I'm gonna take you guys out into the natural lighting so that you can see what my hair looks like. But that is it, y'all. That is my super sleek hair. Alrighty guys, so here it is. Here is my super sleek hair. It's shiny, it has movement, but it's nice and sleek, and it looks like you freshly went to the dry bar, to the blow dry bar, and blow dried your hair, but you did it at home and you didn't spend any money, only on the products that you use. But they're products that if you invest in them, they're gonna last you for years and years and years and years. Like those products will pay themselves because of how many times you're going to use them. So yeah, this is it. This is my super sleek, lovely hair, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, if you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!